and my dear children. With 37 years of expertise in the field of education, I, Priscilla Lobo, welcome you to my YouTube channel, Nurturing Tender Minds. So children, as you have already learned to do the slanting lines, today we are going to learn how to join the two slanting lines and form patterns. Before we start our patterns, let's read and recognize our capital and small letters. So children, let's begin reading and recognizing our capital letters. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So you do this a daily practice to read your capital and small letters at least 5 times a day. Now children, let's read our small letters. A to Z. Let's begin. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. These are your small letters which you have to practice every day. So children, let's begin to start joining our slanting lines to form the pattern A. Here I have made a dot. Keep your pencil point on the dot and drag your line towards the left. Okay? Now, you go back to the dot again. And this time you drag your line, slanting line, towards the right. And here you have got your pattern, A pattern. If we put a sleeping line here, it becomes the capital letter A. But first, you have to practice to join the slanting lines. Now, here I have made dots. So what you have to do is start joining the dots. Tell mommy to make dots and give you, and start joining the dots. Again you go to the center dot and join the other dot. Similarly here, keep your pencil point here on the middle dot and drag it towards your left. Again you go back to the dot, first dot, and drag your line, slanting line, towards the right. Similarly you do it again. Go to the center dot, drag your slanting line towards your left. Again go to the center dot and drag your slanting line towards the right. Again go to the center dot, drag your line towards the left, and again you draw your slanting lines towards the right. Maybe my dots are not okay, but I'm sure you have understood. So you practice this like this. Okay. Now, after you have joined these slanting lines, then you have to do it on your own. Tell mommy to make dots and give you, and then you do. Now you know how to form your slanting line. Sorry, I've taken the pencil today. So you, at the dot, you keep your pencil point and drag towards your left. Again, you go to the same dot and take your line, slanting line towards the right. Again, go to the dot, drag your line, slanting line towards the left. Again, you go to the dot and drag your slanting lines towards the right. Same thing here. Keep your pencil point on the dot, drag it towards your left, and again go to the same point, dot, and drag your line, slanting lines towards the right. Same thing again. Keep your pencil point on the dot, drag your slanting lines towards the left, and again keep your point back on the dot, center dot, and drag it towards the right. So in this way you have to practice, and then you will be perfect. Now again we join the slanting lines and form the V pattern or the letter V. So I have made a dot here. Okay, so what you have to do is, you have to now take your slanting line, keep your pencil point on the dot and take your slanting line towards the right. Okay, now what you do, again you go up, leave a little space in between, make a dot here, and from here you do your slanting line which is going towards the left. Okay, so you have to make two dots. First make a dot and drag your slanting lines towards the right. Again you make a dot, just leave little bit of space in between, make one more dot, and from that dot keep your pencil point and drag your slanting lines and join it take it to the left and join it to the right slanting line. So you get your V pattern. Same way I have given you dots here. So you have to just join the dots. Again, I have left some space here and you have to join your dots here. Again, from this dot you bring your slanting line and join it, bring it out towards your right. Again you leave little space, make a dot again and join your dots and bring it to this slanting line which is dragged towards the right and join it here. Same thing you do here. Join your dots and drag it towards the right. Leave a little space, make a dot here, join the dots and let it join, bring it towards the right and join the left slanting line. So in this way you learn your V pattern or the letter V. Now once you have learned how to do the V pattern and joining of the dots, make dots which will help you to understand initially, and then you do your V pattern. Drag your line out towards the right. Make a dot here, leave little space in between, make a dot here and bring your slanting line towards the left and join like this. Okay, leave space in between, make a dot and bring your slanting lines towards the left. Make a dot here, take your slanting lines towards the right, leave little space here, make a dot here and drag your slanting line towards the right and join the left slanting line. See that both the lines are equal, both the dots are in equal distance. Same thing here. On the dot keep your pencil point and drag your slanting lines towards the right. Again, leave little space, make a dot again. Take your pencil point, keep it on the dot and bring your slanting line towards the left. So in this way, you have formed the letter, the pattern V as well as the letter V. So children, if you like this video, do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Nurturing Tender Minds. And don't forget to hit the bell icon. And I end with a simple quote. Learning is a never-ending process. So each one, teach one. Until then, stay safe, stay well. Thank you.